I'm leaving for Sydney. All my stuff is packed. I'm just waiting for my parents to come and pick me.
Welcome to Sydney, where the local time is approaching 7, almost 5 past 7 in the morning.
Feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're round. Everyone falls down sometime, but you just
can do it.
know it'll all
You
be
can do it.
fine. It's okay.
Oh my god.
It's okay. It's okay.
So I just got back from thrift shopping and I think it's a pretty good haul. Like the thrift shops here are super clean, super organized. Like the clothes are in great condition. You get really good brands. So yeah, the first shop I went to was the Salvation Army Streetwear, but it wasn't very streetwear though. But yeah, you get brands like COS, Carhartt, Wrangler, Acne Studios, Ralph Lauren. So yeah, pretty good. But it's not super cheap. I got this COS jumper for 25. So yeah, you can see like there's like colorful little specs. Yeah, super cute. It's the only thing I got from there. The girl is really nice. And yeah, so then I went to Uturn recycled clothing store, which had a lot of designer items. Like there were branded bags, but I'm quite sure they were not like real, because I saw this one bag with like a bit of plastic hanging out of the hardware, so like I don't think it's real. So didn't buy anything there because like all the stuff was super dated and really expensive. Like, and then I went to this other shop called Flashback, which was really nice. All the stuff was like organized by size, organized by category. So you have like pants, dresses, tops, swimsuits, and I think there were some like branded shoes as well. So yeah, it's really nice. I got this glaçons top, and then I got this H&M dress, which is perfect for Byron Bay since we're going in a bit. Yeah, this was $7.50. The fabric is like super pretty. And the last thing I got from Flashback were these jeans, which is like, I was looking for jeans like that with like the contrast like of like two different denim colors. And this is also from Glassons. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the brand right, but anyway. And it's like a bit of a wide leg. So yeah, super nice. I love it. This is a win for me. So yeah, I think overall thrift shopping in Australia is for sure like better than in Singapore. I find that in Singapore they just like throw everything there like it's junk, especially if you want to get stuff at like good prices. Otherwise, going to places like Style Theory, Second Edit is like really expensive. Refresh is like, honestly, everything is just thrown into the shop like it's junk, but still not super cheap. So yeah, thrift shopping in Australia, about 10 out of 10. And now I am going to get started with work, but this area is like kind of messy right now, but it's okay. Maybe I'll just work over here. Time for a room tour. So this is the living area. Super big couch. I think like 5 people, no, maybe like 5 to 6 people can like sit comfortably around here. TV, some artwork, and then this is like the pantry area. There's like a coffee machine. I want to say Nespresso, but it's not Nespresso. And then some glasses. There's like a wine glass. There's like a mini bottle of wine, and everything in the mini bar is free. Of course, like all these random like the kombucha and coffee and whatever is like our own, the yogurt, but there's like some wines in there and Coke. And then we've just set up like our ironing station here, and there's a table with like 3 chairs that we're using as like clothing racks. This is like all clothes for wash. There's also like a free 24/7 laundry self-service area. And then here's where Rohit's luggage is. There's a bathroom here just for the toilet, and the bed is upstairs. So this is like a loft room, and there's like another TV here, and these lights can be moved, so yeah, you can adjust it. And there's some shelving here, some racks, and this is the main bathroom. It's quite cramped actually, because like if you see, like, and my feet are really small, so it's really like just 5 of my UK 3.5 feet. So yeah, that's kind of the room. I love it though. And like also there are skylights here. Oh, I realized I didn't show you guys the view. Let's go back down. So there are also these like automatic like blinds. You can see. And the curtains open as well. So yeah, there's the Wooloomooloo Bay Hotel, and then you can see the entire Bay Area. So good.
Oh, you're invited.
Stepping as I rock to this. I'm a hot shot, I pop, body drop.
The last leg.
Got the bliss, nobody can diss this. Moving the way I move, yeah, I'm hard to miss. I'm an artist, and the way I started was easy.
So I overslept today. Woke up at like 10:30. So and then I did laundry. Look what happened to my new gauze sweater. Oh my god. It's 10 a.m. and I am walking to Hopestreet Op Shop. So Hopestreet Op Shop was a bust. Now I'm heading to the Wayside Chapel Op Shop. So pretty. Today's loot was great. Let me show you. Oh yeah, so yesterday I bought this from the Australian Red Cross. It's like a relaxed pant. Actually I have something similar, but like it got too small for me because it's still gain weight. But yeah, this one fits me well now. And I went to the Hopestreet Op Shop, but there was a bust. Like there was some like older alcoholic men in there who smelled homeless. I'm so sorry, but it's true. But yeah, it's just like a lot of old people, and you can tell that they're like very cliquey and like, yeah, the selection was not great, but there were some like branded items, just that they were super dated, like super out of trend. And then I walked to the Wayside Chapel Op Shop, and it was great. Actually, a lot of the things were quite expensive and branded, but I think I got really good deals. I only spent $50 and I bought... Okay, bye. Okay, I bought 2 pairs of jeans and 1 short. A Zara jean. So, you can see that they are like cute little pockets in the front. And it's a bit of a wide leg. And this was only $15. Okay. And then I also picked up another pair of Zara jeans. But these are white jeans because I feel like my current white jeans, which are from Love Bonito, are not the best. Like, it's quite thin. It's not really like denim. It's probably like denim, which has a little bit more of a stretch to it. But this is like proper denim. So it's a straight leg jean. This was $20. Okay lah, not super cheap, right? But still cheaper than retail, huh? Okay, anyway. Moving on. I bought, yeah, actually very waste money, but I love like shorts and like I love like short sweats, like sweatpant shorts. And then when I saw these champion shorts, I was like, wow, I have to get them. So these were $15 and they look like they're like almost brand new, which is why I was like, steal. Okay, they're not super cheap again, but I think quite worth because I like it. So yeah, that's kind of it for my haul. And then I stopped to buy this place called, I think it was called Pina, for iced coffee. I was quite intimidated because there were a lot of people there and I am super introverted, so I'm just like Anyway, I'm back now. Room service is not here yet, so I am going to chill and start working at 12:30, which is 9:30 AM Singapore time. I got Betty's burgers. Wee. I actually just ordered a kid's burger and onion rings. The burger ended up being super big, so I'm eating it like a pizza.